The best thing that I want to thank for this 2025 is that God has been faithful to me and to my family. Though sometimes I fail to please Him, but He is gracious, loving, and patient with me. I praise God for the struggles and problems that I have encountered because indeed He sustains me during my difficult times. I thank God for the lives of people na ginamit ng Diyos para sa akin at nakasama ko din sa paglilingkod sa Panginoon. First to my family, to our servant leaders, and my upline and downline D groups, Budrio ladies, and of course, my CCF family for supporting me, praying me in my hard times. This coming year, I pray to God for spiritual breakthrough, victorious life for all of us. Through Him and for Him, to God be all the glory. Merry Christmas!